This is Hajirunisa, Associate Professor from the Commerce and Management Department. My today's topic is labor cost control from the subject cost accounting. And we are going to solve the problem number 13 from the chapter labor cost control. And let's learn calculation of earnings under various methods. So in this problem number 13, they have asked us to calculate earnings of three workers A, B, C under time rate system, under piece rate system, and under Halsey bonus plan and Rowan's premium plan. Let's start learning calculation of earnings from the first method, time rate system, under which earnings of three workers, this can be calculated with the formula. Under time rate system, earnings equals hours worked into rate per hour. So this is the formula. So let us consider worker A. Hours worked by worker A is 50 hours into rate per hour 7 rupees, and the total earnings comes to rupees 350. In case of worker B, hours worked by B is 48 hours and the rate per hour is 8 rupees and the earnings comes to rupees 384. In case of worker C, hours worked by worker C is 46 hours into rate 10 rupees and the earnings comes to rupees 460. Under the second method, piece rate system, calculation of earnings, the formula is number of units produced into rate per unit. So here number of units produced by A is 200 units and the rate per unit is 2 rupees, earnings comes to rupees 400. In case of B, the units produced by B is 150 into rate per unit is rupees 3 and the total earnings comes to rupees 450. In case of C, the units produced by C is 125 into rate per unit is rupees 4 and the earnings comes to rupees 500. And next is calculation of earnings under Halsey bonus plan. So before we move on to calculation of earnings under Halsey bonus plan, there is a need to calculate the standard time which is not given in the problem. Here standard time is given for 100 units, but we need to calculate what is the total number of units produced. So for calculation of standard time, here A has produced, it is given in the problem, 100 units. The standard hours fixed for 100 units is 35 hours, but the actual production of A is 200 units. Therefore the standard time fixed for A is 70 hours. The standard time fixed for 100 units for B it is 40 hours and the total number of units produced by B is 150 units. Therefore the standard times fixed for B is 60 hours. For 100 hours it is for 100 units time is fixed 40 hours, and in case of 150 units the time fixed is 60 hours. Next is 100 units, the standard time fixed is 42 hours for in case of C. In case of C, 100 units standard time is 42 hours, but the actual production of C is 120 units. Therefore the standard times calculated is 52.5. So next there is a need for calculation of time saved which is not given. Time saved can be calculated by considering what is the standard time minus actual time, that gives the time saved. Here in case of A, standard time calculated 70 hours and the actual time taken by A is 50 hours, the time saved is 20 hours. In case of B, standard time is 60 hours minus actual time taken by B is 48 hours and the time saved is 12 hours. In case of C, the standard time is 52.5 hours and the actual time taken is 46 hours and the time saved is 6.5 hours. With this information we can calculate easily the earnings under Halsey bonus plan. So the formula for calculating earnings under Halsey bonus plan is earnings equals hours worked into rate per hour plus half of time saved into rate per hour. So this is the formula for calculation of earnings. In case of A, hours worked is 50 into rate per hour 7 plus half of time saved is 20 into rate per hour 7. So here the calculation comes is 350 plus half of 140 equals 350 plus 70 equals 420. In case of B, the earnings of B is calculated 48 hours worked into rate per hour is 8 plus half of time saved is 12 into 8. So the here calculation is 384 plus 48. The earnings comes to rupees 432 of B. In case of C, hours worked is 46 into rate per hour 10 plus half of time saved 6.5 into rate per hour 10. So the calculation is 460 plus 32.5 equals earnings of C is 492.5. And the calculation under Rowan's premium plan is the formula for calculating Rowan's premium plan. It is earnings equals hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved by time allowed. Time allowed is standard time into hours worked into rate per hour. So let us consider first A worker. Hours worked is 70 into rate per hour 7 plus time saved is 20 by time allowed 70 into hours worked 50 into rate per hour 7. So here the calculation will be 350 plus 100. 350 plus 100 is equal to rupees 450 earnings of A under Rowan's premium plan. The next is earnings of B. Here hours worked by B is 48 into rate per hour 8 plus time saved is 12 divided by time allowed, that is standard time 60 into hours worked 48 into rate per hour 8. So this comes to the total 384 plus 76.8 and the total earnings comes to rupees 460.8. And the C's earnings is rate hours worked is 46 into rate per hour 10 plus time saved is 6.5 by time allowed 52.5 into hours worked 46 into rate per hour 10. So this comes to 460 plus 56.5 and the total earnings comes to rupees 516.95. So this is how the calculation is done in case of Rowan premium plan. If the missing information what is not given in the problem, if we calculate that, it is easy to work out the problems. Here the information which was missing in the problem was calculation of standard time, which standard time was fixed for 100 units, but the actual units produced by the workers, based on that we need to first calculate what is the standard time fixed for A, B and C worker. Then what is the actual time taken is also given in the problem. Standard time minus the actual time, we get the time saved, which is important to apply in the formula. So once we calculate what is the time saved by A, B and C and what is the standard time fixed for A, B and C, which is missing in the problem, we can easily work out accordingly. Applying the formula, we can calculate the earnings under various methods. I hope you understand this calculation of earnings under various methods.